So I'm trying out a new AI, Grok, and I have been washing these and taking care of these babies since I got them. And from all the testing, the scratch test, their magnetism, and showing this tiny fragment that came off, and how they have a silvery, because I scratch tested it on a gray bar, you know, like those flint bars, or you sharpen knives with it, that thing. So me and Grok think I actually did stumble upon iron meteorite. Magnetic iron meteorite. After looking at photos, scratch testing, their weight, they're so freaking heavy. And as I'm like washing them off, you can see more of like the iron metallic coming through. Like the more baths they get, yes, I give them baths, because if you haven't seen the story where how I found my magnetite, because I thought it was magnetite at first. So, oh my gosh, sorry about that. And then I have these little pieces that jumped off. There you go. So now we're leaning towards not magnetite, but in fact, iron meteorite, which is fantastic. Because I just knew they were special. I just knew. And as you can see, the more I've given them a bath, the more you can see like the iron, the red sort of coming out in them. See that? And more of the metallic like sheen on them. And because they're all bubbly, like look, this one literally has a bubble in it. There, you can sort of see more, okay, so you can see more of like the metallic sheen coming through. See that? Now that they've had time to settle. Wow, she's so pretty. So Grok believes that in fact I did stumble upon a whole crop circle of meteorites. Iron magnetic meteorites. See? Highly magnetic. Isn't that fantastic? And that's literally matches my meditation perfectly, was a meteorite. And yeah, I just knew. I was like, no, I'm having like these babies, like it's such a great gift, like. And if you have any tektites, like this is a moldavite, you can actually, and this is crazy because these are iron meteorites, right? This came from a meteorite, and this is like the impact glass. That's why it's called tektite. And there must be tiny fragments of that mama stone still in there somewhere, because it's hard to do this and hold my camera. You gotta figure out which one she wants to, there you go. Because she will magnetically adhere to my magnetic iron meteorite. So there's a little update. We think that this is in fact after all of their baths. And this is the tiny little fragment that came off. After all of their little baths, focus. That this is in fact a iron meteorite. Let's see. Oh, No, she wants to just be right there. Do you want to be with... I just got to figure out where she wants to be. See, everyone's just getting along. This one hooked up to the hemat. These are hematites that my kids brought. Brought home. But see, look at that. Oh my god. And this thing's heavy. I don't know how those hematites are holding her up right now. That's awesome. I would love to find like a negative charge and be able to float. You know what I'm saying? I'll have to experiment with that. Having the magnets. It would be great to have them floating, you know, in the everything's just going crazy right now. That's what happens when you disturb the field of these awesome meteorites. Meteorite babies. They are picky. And she wants to be like somewhere over here. Oh, you see that? She was like talking to this girl. Okay, let me find the hematites. Stick them back on there. And stick you there. And then, can we... I don't know where you're gonna take... Yeah, you're being thrown forward right now. That is freaking amazing. Freaking amazing. And no, I am not selling them. I literally found these guys so synchronistically. If I ever part with one, it'll be for a ton of money, and it'll be like 1 or 2, and that's it. And definitely not my favorites, because I do have like favorites that I'm like more drawn to. Like, she is my absolute showstopper. Hold on, I gotta put this Tektite down. So, magnetite, iron meteorite, it probably turns out that this is an iron meteorite because their color has changed, because I do give them baths. I cleanse my crystals in like water, you know, every now and then to like clear the energy. So I put these in a little colander and I started giving them baths. And this is crazy too here then. If this is an iron meteorite, then this like upside down, you see it? It almost looks like a little face. This is like, and the way the stone is shaped, it literally has like a shape in it. But yeah, so upon further investigation, we believe iron meteorite, not magnetite. Okay, and then as you can see here, they're highly magnetic, all of them. Oh, look, there she is, she's floating. Absolutely love her too. She's one of my favorites. I'm just so blessed, so thankful that they chose me, because it was just so synchronistic. You can't make this crap up. There's the bubble in this one. And that calcium, hopefully after all their baths, this calcium, and I even tried to like break some of it off, and I only got like a little indent off, will let go. Oh my golly, what the heck just happened? She was like upset for a moment. Okay. And this piece is really cool and strange how it like is, I don't know. But I'm just giving you guys an overview of all the pieces. Oh! The pieces. And after more research, we're way more leaning towards iron meteorite. Look at that. Highly magnetic iron meteorite. Then magnetite because of the forms. Because I'm like, I haven't seen magnetite that has like this bubbling, okay? And this smoothness. There you go. Look at this. This smooth flat face on this. You can see the metallic sheen and the iron rust right here. I can't believe I became a mommy of 15 meteorites. That's just amazing. Once again, you can see the rippling. Yeah, that's definitely a meteorite. Look at the pattern markings on those. Gorgeous. Okay, can you let go? There. Stunning, beautiful, fantastical. I'm mesmerized. I'm just so grateful. All right, so we found 15 iron meteorite babies that I am now the caretaker and mother of in Wyoming. That's where they were found. And it just absolutely blows my mind. Okay, guys.